Thank you, Veera, and good afternoon, all of you. I am representing PSS Central Institute of Vocational Education, which is located in Bhopal. We are part of NCERT, and this is the only vocational education institute in the country under MHRD. Let me brief about what are the initiative of MHRD, Government of India, regarding vocational education. Based on the research, you are all aware of that. MHRD last year introduced NVEQF, that is National Vocational Educational Qualification Framework. And slowly it will be in 12th plan, at the end of 12th plan, it will be mandatory to all post-secondary schools to introduce vocational education as a part of regular education. Now, this is the one strategy by which we can fulfill that objective which was mentioned by Prime Minister. We have to develop, impart skills to 55 crore people up to 2025. Okay, number is very high. And what are the strategies? One of the strategies to introduce vocational education is a part of regular education in school. So in NVQF, it talks about levels. It's a level 1, it starts from 9th. 9th, level 1, 10th, level 2, and so on, it up to level 11. Now what is that? Level 1 is a skill descriptive. It's a skill designed for the level 1. Tomorrow you will meet a boy or girl who has certified as a level 1, level 2, a skilled boy or girl or professional, irrespective of his regular education. For example, tomorrow you will meet a BE mechanical engineer. A industry will ask what level you have, mechanical engineering skills. He will produce the evidence and certificate that I am level 7 professional. Now, these all levels, they are part of regular education. Now, we have to inbuilt in the education. Now, it's a big mission. Now, Haryana is the first state, we call it pilot. It's already going on. There are 75 schools in Haryana. They introduced a vocational education in the regular education right from 9th. There are 4 streams. Now, a parallel, there is another development already occurred. A Government of India established one NSDC, National Skill Development Corporation. It's a public sector. Now, what the NSDC did, they scanned the entire skill universe and they divided into 21 sectors. And they prioritized sectors. For example, they prioritize automotive. Automobile is a sector first. The retail is the second. A third is a security. And the fourth security and insurance and banking and the health education. Now these sectors, the civil construction will follow. Now again the sector priority depends on state. For example, Karnataka says the third is the health education priority. The priority changes sector to sector, state to state. Now this is the plan, this is the policy, this is the initiative of MHRD. Now unfortunately we have a typical mindset. Now we are struggling to change that type of mindset amongst parent, amongst teacher educator, amongst the policy maker. The mindset is like this. Vocational education means it is for unemployed youth. Vocational education means it is for poor. Vocational education means school dropout. I'll repeat. Vocational education means school dropout. Vocational education means it's for creating a labor force. Vocational education means to a person who doesn't have an unemployed person. So we created vocational education, a typical mindset. It is for whole world, not for my children. Okay. Let me tell you, I did engineering PhD. I educated from one of the finest vocational schools of this country, started by Britishers in 1901. Now, vocational education is a technical education. It cannot be separated. It is, unfortunately, we have again created a caste system in education. Caste system in education, like school education is here, higher education is there. Okay. Vocational education is that side. Now, it's very strange unfortunately very strange to understand how a drawing ellipse, an engineering drawing at IIT Mumbai is superior than drawing a ellipse using same minor major axis in the vocational school is different. Now, we created strange strata in education, see, and then we divided that knowledge and skill in the strange way that works dominantly. Now, we are struggling. That challenge is not difficult. It's the most complex challenge. Now, what a professor said you that figures are all right. South Korea, 96, 97%. India is a 4%, and China, right from 35%, that today is 65%. This percent means a person is having knowledge or skill before joining a job. Now, we are very low. Now, again, another challenge, how to make vocational education is attractive for the investors. Because we have to introduce in the schools are not attractive by the PPP mode. Vocational schools it requires investment. Tomorrow you will find a school, एक स्कूल के साथ आपको वर्कशॉप दिखेगा. वो वर्कशॉप चाहे रिटेल का हो, चाहे हॉस्पिटलिटी मैनेजमेंट का हो, चाहे ऑटोमोबाइल का हो, चाहे सिविल कंस्ट्रक्शन का हो, और बच्चा 9th स्टैंडर्ड में अपने सब्जेक्ट जो फिजिक्स को वेटेज देता है, जो हिस्ट्री को देता है, जो मैथमेटिक्स को देता है, वैसा ही वेटेज वोकेशनल को देगा. वो उसके मार्कशीट में रेगुलर होगा. उसका असेसमेंट सर्विस स्किल इंडस्ट्री के लोग करेंगे. और एनएसडीसी और सर्विस स्किल सेक्टर्स इसको इनिशिएटिव ले रहा है. दे आर डेवलपिंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाइज यूनिट. दैट यूनिट विल बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू असेस द स्टूडेंट फॉर दैट लेवल. नाउ द प्लान तो बहुत एम्बिशियस है. नाउ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया MHRD allocated a huge amount money in the 12th plan. Now states are asked to prepare a proposal, submit under revised vocational scheme. Revised vocational scheme, schools are asked to submit through the respective state government. Now at PSCCIV, we are part of that change. This will be a most radical change. Not only is paradigm shift, it's a radical change in the coming future. It is the next change like a 10+2 system in the country. Now, this is the only change that will make our education is most relevant, most employable education. Now remember, we are not giving vocational education for the job. Imagine the 50% women, how many girls they do job. The purpose of vocational education, that mindset is so strong. It is de-linked to the job. It is not for the job creation. It is for developing life skills. Today, all women, they need some technical skills to operate a mixer or the fridge or the troubleshooting of the mixer. Now, there is another need of mobility. For example, the large number in millions, we have a workforce, they do not have any formal certificate. For example, plumber. आज plumber है, वो skilled plumber है, लेकिन उसके पास वो पास है 7th, उसके पास कोई सर्टिफिकेट नहीं है, उसको देने वाला कोई एजेंसी नहीं है. लेकिन वो प्लम्बर को अगर हम लेवल 1, लेवल 2, लेवल 3 का टेस्ट करके सर्टिफिकेट देते हैं तो वो प्लम्बर पूरे भारत में दूसरी जगह जाके काम कर सकता है. आज MP का प्लम्बर केरल में काम नहीं कर सकता है, इसलिए कि उसको ऐसी सर्टिफिकेट नहीं है जिसको लेके घूमेगा. That is for all. That is for even B students. That is for MTech students. That is for PhD students. There is one another big challenge. That's ये अनुपात बदल गया है. आपको बता दूं, 60 years ago, 1 engineering college, 5 polytechnics, and 15 ITI, and some craftsman schools. That was the pyramid. But slowly, because engineering education is more attractive for the investors, so it became a reverse. Today, a labor ministry has a target of 10,000 ITI in a year. Last year, it met only 1,200. Now, that seems, starting ITI is not attractive. Starting vocational school is not at all attractive. Now, difficulty is that government के पास इतना पैसा नहीं है कि इतना change करे. Now, that is a responsibility of private players. Now, they talk about ICT, but of course, it has some inherent disadvantage. For example, you cannot develop JCB operator skills through ICT. आप ICT से, आप कंप्यूटर से लोगों को जो वर्क स्किल है, वर्क स्किल डेवलप नहीं कर सकते हैं. एजुकेशन इज नॉट अबाउट कॉग्निटिव स्किल्स. हम कॉग्निटिव स्किल से इनफ, हमारे पास इंटेलेक्चुअल्स बहुत है, हमारे पास प्लान बहुत है, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू एग्जीक्यूशन एंड इम्प्लीमेंटेशन वी फेस ए मेजर डिफिकल्टी. द वन बिग चैलेंज है कैसा वोकेशनल शिक्षा एट द डाउन लेवल. एंड लेट मी टेल यू अनदर फिगर. इन इंडिया वी हैव 76% ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स सरकारी स्कूलों में पढ़ते हैं. And we talk about only 22% boys and girls. 70, I'm talking 78. 78% बच्चे ये सरकारी स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं. Now, हमको करना है क्या? वहीं करना है हमको. Now, look, this is. Now, our role is very important, and you can be educate yourself using, of course, a website of MHRD. A detail of NVQF is given. PSCCIB website, you will get all the information regarding skill development initiative of Government of India. You can see the NCERT website where you will get the knowledge, and be prepared yourself within couple of years. If you are from private schools, within next 4 or 5 years, you will have to start a vocational course in your school. Now, here in the city, Indore वगैरह अच्छे city में ये attractive है, a private people can help you, they will establish like in computer. Now, computer and typing, ये दो ही sector है जहाँ private लोगों ने बहुत ही close जाकर लोगों को help की है. But when it comes to hard, like a machinist, when it comes to CCTV operator, for example in security sector, CCTV operator, जिनके लिए कोई स्कूल में ऐसी वोकेशनल शिक्षा नहीं देते. एंड व्हाट कन्वेंशनली वोकेशनल शिक्षा देने वाले जो इंस्टीट्यूट्स है वो बहुत ही कम संख्या में है. दैट इज नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ ITI. दैट इज नाउ अगेन इज वेरी समथिंग स्ट्रेंज. दूसरा एक अनुपात बिगड़ गया है. कौन सा अनुपात मैं बताता हूं. पहले ITI मीन्स 80% skill, 20% knowledge. A polytechnic means 65% skill, 35% knowledge. An engineering college means 70% knowledge, 30% skill. ये था. और of course PG, when you go PG, more knowledge, less skill, again you go PhD. But see carefully what is happening. Even in ITI, there is a 50-50%. Now, if you go to engineering institutions, unfortunately, I found myself many engineering colleges, they removed laboratory. The laboratory is for only recognition. They keep tabletop model, 2-stroke engine. I found in Ahmedabad, in one leading engineering group in Ahmedabad, during the inspection, they demonstrated a 340 rupees acrylic working model of 2-stroke engine. Okay. They say this is the requirement of AICTE. They mentioned working tabletop model of 2-stroke engine. Now imagine a 340 rupees acrylic 2-stroke engine working model, how they can develop skill amongst 500 students. Now one can imagine, but this is a reality. Now we talk big things, but we do very small things. Now, these are the challenges. Now, but our responsibility, as Madam mentioned, being a Government of India's institute, now PSCCI in last 20 years, 2 decade का institute है, ये Shamla Hills पे स्थित है. We have 37-acre land on Shamla Hills in Bhopal, a big infrastructure. We have departments, various departments. We have developed more than 250 curriculum, instructional material in the vocational education. We are helping all the states for last 2 decades. Now, right now, we have developed not only curriculum, a syllabus बनाना कोई भी कर सकता है. The instruction, teacher, handbook and students workbook हमने चारों सेक्टर में बनाया है और हरियाणा के सभी विद्यार्थी, वेस्ट बंगाल के सभी विद्यार्थी, कर्नाटक के सभी हमने आपका बहुत समय लिया और most welcome to PSCCI initiatives in the future. I thank you very much providing me this opportunity. Any comments, any suggestions, any observations, please. Well, this is all about a grant from MHRD. Let me tell you. MHRD under revised scheme of vocational education. There is a scheme of Government of India. Now under that scheme, there is a provision of around, this year around 300 crore, probably it will increase. Now MHRD has invited proposals from the all states to introduce vocational education right from the 9th standard. Unfortunately, some states, they couldn't submit, or whatever they submitted, they asked to refine it. MP probably वो राज्य है, या तो उन्होंने सबमिट करके रिवाइज करने के लिए कहा होगा या सबमिट नहीं किया होगा. हरियाणा पहला स्टेट है जिन्होंने 54 करोड़ का सबमिट किया है, और because I'm in that committee, and कुछ स्टेट ने इसको इनिशिएटिव लिया है बड़ा aggressively. Now preparing proposal and submitting to the MHRD, because it works on the proposal, then the approval, then the, and even some private society, if the large number of schools they are running up to 12th standard, they can also apply for that. Now probably that could be the reason, but there is nothing like that. The state, Karnataka is the state which said we will go and implement NVQF without support from Government of India. We have enough money. Now they start, कर्नाटक सरकार चालू कर रहे हैं अपने 250 स्कूलों में 9वीं कक्षा से वोकेशनल एजुकेशन कर्नाटक गवर्नमेंट चालू कर रहा है विदाउट सपोर्ट फ्रॉम द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. नाउ देयर आर अदर, यूपी मिक्स मॉडल कर रहे हैं, राजस्थान का एक अलग मॉडल चल रहा है, गुजरात आल्सो सेड 50-50, वी विल इन्वेस्ट 50, इफ द गवर्नमेंट गिव्स 50 then we will introduce. And it's not depends on money. Even without investment also, one can introduce. There are some changes. CBSE has suggested some changes. And these are all courses approved by CBSE. They are all recognized by AICTE for the higher education. And AICTE and UGC Soon they will launch programs like Bachelors of Vocational, BVOC in bracket, could be retail management, could be construction, like this. And they will be in the engineering institutions or vocational institutions. At the higher UG and PG degree, they will start, and almost 1,500 figure they submitted to the AICTE, around 200 institutions. From the next session they will start a bachelor's degree and master's degree in vocational education, which are parallel to the engineering education. But here the difference is they are more skilled industry people, because let me tell you, the curriculum which we prepared, it is not based on our own research. It is purely based on single data, type of data, that is called NOSES, National Occupational Skill Standards. The NOSES, the design of NOSES and category of NOSES is the NSDC business. Now NSDC is providing us a base for the designing curriculum. वो स्किल का ये दे देते हैं, स्किल कितना होना चाहिए, कौन से लेवल पे कितना स्किल होना चाहिए, एनएसडीसी प्रोवाइड करता है. दे कॉल इट नॉसेस. नाउ नॉसेस को करिकुलम में कन्वर्ट करने का काम ये पीएससी सीआईबी स्कूल एजुकेशन के लिए करता है, और एआईसीटीई ये हायर एजुकेशन के लिए करता है. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली हायर एजुकेशन अभी आने वाला है, इसलिए चारों लेवल का नॉसेस से करिकुलम हमने बनाया है 4 सेक्टर में, और सीबीएसई इसको डायरेक्ट इंप्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं. सो वी वर्क क्लोजली विद सीबीएसई, NIOS, that's Open University for School Education, and AICTE and the NSDC. This is the structure.
We have BTP. We are. Person will get a certificate, then it will be applicable to all over India. But my problem is that even after exam conducted in 2010, I have not received the certificate. Student will get it. But what is the use? What is the use if they are not able to provide the certificate for the last 2 years? Then where the student will go? What is the use of the training?
That's a different issue, because I do not have any idea why the level of why they are not using certificate. I'm totally unaware of it. But if you are talking about vocational education, NHRD,
Vocational is the same. Either NCVT or yours. You are conducting.
Sometimes, there are 19 ministries, 19. 19 ministries है जो vocational education का काम करते हैं. महिला बाल विकास भी करता है, वन विभाग भी करता है, एग्रीकल्चर भी करता है. vocational का इतना ज्यादा बजवर्ड है, कौन सी मिनिस्ट्री नहीं करती, ये हमको नहीं मिल रहा है. सभी मिनिस्ट्री करती है.